Welcome to our first Panama Airbnb, guys. Let's do another voiceover video. This is the Airbnb that I booked. Let me tell you, I went haywire on Airbnb's site trying to find a perfect thing that was within budget, that could hold all of us, that everyone would feel comfortable. This is what I landed on. It was a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom because after the hotel experience, boy, I made it just want 2-bathroom. 4 people need 2-bathroom. Listen, I said what I said. All right, so it's in a tower and we were on, I think, the 4th floor of the tower. So you enter and it has this lovely, I really like the dining living room area. The couch was so nice and comfortable and the table could have hold alleyway and have space. This is the main bedroom. It had a king-size bed, so me and Munchkin were completely fine sharing it. It was a very comfortable bed. I really liked it. Go into the bathroom here, and that was pretty cute too. There's what you got. I'm gonna turn on the light, so that was that flash. Ear police, I'm in my background over my video. Anyways. So yeah, this was a bathroom. The place was nice and clean. I didn't mind it, trust me. This is the view from the bedroom window there. The towers went up all the way to the 35th floor. Can you believe I have not been up onto the top floor? Mom and Munchkin went up there. They said it had lovely views. Them did afraid though, but you know, them afraid of everything. I think upstairs had a gym and a lounge and all kind of story was on the top floor. But me, I work. Place had no balconies, but they had these little, what is that, landings for the air conditioning units. Panama hot. So everywhere was, there's Munchkin doing the exact same thing I'm doing. Everybody at YouTube, I mean, I know. So this is the closet for the main bedroom. And boy, I may tell you, somebody kind of wish me did have this closet back at my yard, where I was in Kingston. This is Grandpa pointing out theme quarters now. So this is the other bathroom that was in the kind of like, they have a little hallway there. So it's pretty much like the other bathroom. You know, shower, standard things. And this is the little hallway here with a sleeper bed. So they were trying to set up them Airbnbs so enough people could have stayed there. You know how it goes. I'm trying to think of how I would use this space if I had lived here, you know. So this is the other bedroom, and it was comfortable and spacious enough again. So I didn't have any problems with this Airbnb up until this point. Okay, so what kind of view where I get from that side? I don't know. Ooh, them clouds looking ominous. But we're on the 4th floor, so we're right above these beautiful palm trees here. And not much of a view else, but you know, I stand up in the bedroom, I look out the door. So we're good. Watch mommy she me say everybody on YouTube and TikTok and this and that. Boy, I tell you. Alright, I'm gonna go back out the door now. I'm gonna show you the kitchen and so, cause you want to see them part of too, right? So this is the kitchen. It wasn't bad. There was this nice big gas stove where you see right there. So come to find out, so no gas not in the place. So you see the little 1 burner where them take out, give we say, all right, before I better cook no food. Like what? That was my first red flag. Like, it's 4 of us. I cannot cook on a 1 burner, please. I did like that they had a washer and dryer. So, you know, where I come from hotel, I'll close them dirty. So that was one of the first things that we did. I don't know why I'm showing in the inside of the freezer, but here's the inside of the freezer. All right. So one of the benefits or the perks of these high-rises is that you have to give the people them time and space and place for, you know, the recreational activities, right? So this place had a lovely little pool area, which of course we did not use because, as you can see, place overcast and kind of chilly, but that's the, I don't know if that's supposed to be a hot tub. It was the same temperature as all these other 2 things right here. And they have a nice little sitting area. So, you know, you can plan a little party them. And over there, so I want to eat, I want to drink, and then something there. And bathroom is right there over there too. And that's the main pool. Nice and deep. And it goes right over to the edge of the building. That's Munchkin asking me if she can go in the water. No, you cannot go in the water. We are going in the water for you. See place cold. No, I'm trying, man. Alright. It never bad until it did bad. Can you see what going out the door now? You see how the palm tree, them the nice good palm tree, them I'm just show you a shake and a rattle. And I shake them tail feather. Me say me don't know what going out the door. And me say the glass that make some breathe and nice at this party though. Me I say no man, look how thunderstorm, a hurricane. How what this say? How what this say? Me come up Panama and me bring hurricane come up Panama. Me no know. Me say them stand up right against the glass and me fear forgot that now. Me I say, whoa now, don't so close to the glass. I swear to you, I thought something was gonna like. Well, it did. It did. Something did happen. Can you imagine? Me there Panama, my first Airbnb, my first country pan this journey, and me flat out. I hear me did like the place. Listen, listen, listen. Yeah, so we moved quick and fast, quick and fast. Couldn't stay there. No, no, no. And this other little supermarket with them they have round the corner. You know? So it was so nice and convenient, but it wasn't meant to be. So here is the next Airbnb that we went into quick and fast because I couldn't stay there. Rain that fall upon Panama every day. So this is our new spot. The kitchen is right off the door there to the left. And you know you can see right out to the living. So I did like that. Everybody kind of wash and maybe wash cook plate and so. Cook plate. You get what I mean, yeah man, you can't bother. So they have their own little washroom area too. It was pretty much the same setup. It was in another tower. And this time we were on the 16th floor. So we had, or we were supposed to have, you know, a nice little view. It was on a busy street, so the view never too, but it was nice and bright and airy. The inside is kind of vintage. But let me tell you something about a man here. You see that man here now? Him making know straight up what the place is. Him say, look here, don't come for no Instagram things or expecting to walk out and promenade. That's the word the man used. Because as I say, it's on a busy street and we couldn't really walk to the store like the last one that I just showed you. But they have their own little convenience store at downstairs the apartment building. So it all worked out. I mean, never mind it. I just did glad for this somewhere else and it was cool. So yeah, I just want to show you around the place. This is the view, and if you are on TikTok, you could have seen the demonstration that they were having out on that road a while back. Yeah, right there. So right on that road, they were having a little Black Street thing. That protest are going to Panama for what I don't know. But anyway, so this is the building here. More views. And this now we're going to bedroom them. So that's the, I guess the everybody bathroom right there. Was nice and let's just call it cozy, right? Have you noticed, by the way, that all the Panama bathroom them so far have bidet? Yeah, man. Just wash your. So this is the shower. Nothing fancy smancy and not that the man say. I really loved this bookshelf here. I go fast and find 2 books for read. I give grandpa one. That's where I filmed the last video that's on the channel because I really liked the artwork there. We'll go back outside now and go into the main bedroom, which me and Munchkin shared. This is that. Nice and bright again because it has a window right there and then the bathroom in there. Because I tell him I now book no place without 2 bathrooms. Ever. Again. Nah. If you look good to your left of your screen, you're gonna see the metro passing. Oh, my tip, me never got to show it. Yes, right there. There's a metro, and that was exciting for Munchkin to ride it. She's never been on any kind of subway before. So you're gonna see us take the metro a little later in this video to go to the mall. Alright, so I said I was in tower, so I have to go check out the pool area of this tower. And boy, I tell you, that one I met the last one look like it never did a try. I feel like I did that on a royal ton. But they're all inclusive, girl. Look how place nice and clean and nice and pretty. No, sir. You know, we tried. Well, Munchkin had a proper photo shoot down here. I went, me say me put on my good clothes and I go downstairs. I try to take picture and the door locked for me and I say, what going today? What going on the pool lock? But anyway, so this is the center of the tower and this is the pool area. And again, a nice little seating area so you can plan your parties, do what you want to do. There's an outdoor shower right there as well. The little kiddies play area. Oh, so me never ever know some of the tech video at the protest. We want justice. We want justice. And no look at Tayana on them decently. No look at fridge. No look at all fridge. Nothing. Anyway, so we're walking to the metro station to go grab one of those trains to the mall, Comecogay Mall, Albrook Mall. It's supposed to be one of the largest in Central America, I believe. Something like so. So Comecogay Mall. So we're inside the mall now, and I realized I didn't take a lot of footage for the YouTube inside the mall. You're gonna have to like follow me on Instagram and TikTok to get the real live updates. Not just a one little place in at the middle. I was just like, are these real guns? I had to look real hard. Alright, next stop now, we plan our own little day trip to go see some of the sites because our very first Uber driver, him plan a trip, yes? We say we are going Monkey Island and we're going to all the place. He want to charge me $90 per person on a forum. And I said, big man, here we go. No. So we didn't do that. We just hopped on an Uber and went to a few places that I had actually researched. So come, make we go into the park. We've arrived. This is the Cinta Costera Park. It is the park right on the dock there. There's like a yacht club that we've got dropped off at, and I really like this park because it kind of reminded me of like an emancipation park but downtown. So you know, there were kids playing volleyball, there were people riding their bikes, there was this whole sand pit and monkey bar area. Trust me, I really like this, and I wish we had more of these in Jamaica. It was gorgeous. It was a nice vibe until we saw these raccoons. Yeah, them did a fight over people food and all bag of things and everything. But anyways, it's where we took this epic Panama picture as well. If you're on my Instagram, you would have seen that shot. And after, you know, we had a grand time, we left to Old Town. So Old Town, Panama now. This is where I was telling you that I have thoughts. I may tell you some, I may have real thoughts about like the gentrification of what the town once was. Because if you listen to my mother, she would tell you how this town did this and this town did that and what she remember from what she don't remember. But 35 years later, Old Town is, let me tell you what it is. It's these lovely churches. It's these very old derelict buildings. And it is a mixture of very posh rooftop bars, restaurants that I couldn't even go into because me never depend for them budget. I was just like, wait. Is this where we want downtown Kingston to go? Anyways, my so sure now I'm at heart, but let's talk a little bit about this church with all this gold in it. Now, first of all, do y'all feel weird like going into churches as, you know, tourists? Just, you know, the people them sacred space with your phone out and your camera out, just have take pictures of, you know, holy things and displays and, you know, with the people that I felt a little like, I see it all the time. And you know, people touring these like very old historic churches that actually have meaning. So I guess if you go in there to actually, you know, take away from the history of the place, it's fine. Like, this is the gold altar, and when you read the little sign that's in front of it, it has, you know, the history of the thing, and it was magnificent to view. I'ma tell you that much. But I felt a little eerie. I felt a little eerie. Anyway, this is the middle of the like old town where they have this lovely little park. You can sit and eat from, you know, the restaurants that are around, or you just in the park, just have a good time, a grand old time. This mama, she, you know, have the revelation say the place could have never looked the same way. Oh, she left it.
35 years ago, you were 5 years old, right? I don't expect that Jamaica look the same like how it looked 35 years ago. So why would I?
Okay, get it, girls. I'm so amazed at the very old buildings right next to very new, very posh, very modern rooftop bar situations in Panama, and I really think that this is what downtown Kingston is gonna look like in a few. I just hope that we don't do the gentrified thing and price people out, because that's definitely what's happening here. Like, if you can see down in the alley, very old, very grungy, very new, very modern with subway and thing. Grandpa couldn't walk anymore. Look, no, look on the old building them next to the right, the brand. Anyways, that's the eatery that we are about to eat inside. Yeah, you see the old building them. It's called Nomad Eatery. Can you imagine? This is a little clip that if you were following me on Insta, you would have seen on my stories. It was probably the most expensive place we were in Panama, and of course in Old Town. Did you catch the background song on that clip? Anyway, this is what I had, and it was delicious. So anyways, guys, that's the last of our Panama videos. Can you believe it? We are already in our second country. If you're following me on Insta or TikTok, you know where that is. Stay tuned for the videos to come.